You guys getting her dialed, huh?
Yeah, getting her dialed for tomorrow, so.
Okay, right on.
Yeah, we'll come out tomorrow and run probably box or no box, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it runs pretty good.
Thank you.
Yeah. What's the setup on it?
It's a 2001 Cummins VP44 with a single 72 turbo on it right now. 72? Yep, it's a single 72, and that was one small scrape and I just had passed, so. We just switched over these new tires, so we're trying to see how they're going to react. They really like it.
Oh yeah, I can see that. Hell yeah.
Big old party. What's up, Chia? How you doing, buddy?
Good luck, man.
Thank you.
Started a couple of weeks ago out here. Wow, 10:29 with a 2 on 123.79 miles per hour. People that are here this weekend, Turbo Technology, you'll find their parts on a lot of the cars we'll see right here tonight and tomorrow. And Turbo Technology, tuning dyno services, turbo rebuilds, X-Tack, which will give you 1,000 wheel horsepower. 20 turbos, Corvette system, it's all on Turbo Technology. Here's Grant, got a total set of 2 out of the gate. And we'll go over the 6 and 125. And 07 with a 7, 127 up top. Dodge Ram on the quarter mile. Look at that. Deep in the 983 with the 6. 125.74. Wow.
It's liking those tires, huh?
It likes them, yeah.
Oh man.
Thanks, dude.